through those brambles, just get his head up. Here the Enduro boy's going. Let's hope they keep his attention while we stalk in. Try and use those bushes as a bit of cover. Still there. He's now between those two bushes. Some more running, if you can see it now, through there to the right. Some more running around. There they go. Evening everyone. Just got here, literally out the car down there, walked up to the gate, and there's a load of rabbits sitting here in the field over here. Must have been a good 6 or 8 of them. So I just stalked up nice and tight against the gate there, over there behind me, popped up, took my time, 2 shots, and look what we've got. Let's just put the gun down next to them, and there we are. So we've got a, I think that looks like a doe to me, and a little baby. So not too bad since I've been here about 5 minutes. So it's a nice start to the evening. There they go. Right, so there was that bunny. I don't know if you if I caught it enough on camera, but as we came round the corner just over there, stalked through maybe about 20 yards, okay, and then he kept putting his head up, having a look, then disappearing. I thought he's going to run, and he didn't. He kept his head down, and then I must have only been maybe 20 yards away, and then thought, right, that's it. And there he was, head up, having a look round, see what the hell was going on, and that was the last thing he saw. And there he is, number 3 of the evening. 3 shots, 3 kills. So I'm on a bit of a roll. Pretty happy about this. Can you see the foxes over there? Just going into the green, and from the green to the yellow, I should say. In the green. Everything's bloody green. See him moving now? Don't know if the camera can pick him up. Now there's a pair of them gone. Oh well, never mind. I just thought before we finally wrap up, I'll give you a few shots of tonight's sport. So here we go. So got a couple, fat pregnant doe unfortunately, a buck and a young one, and the good old Beretta silver pigeon 5 with the GoPro mount on it, sportsman's mount. Hopefully that worked tonight, and I managed to catch some of the action. Well, I hope it does, because it'll make good sport. It looks always good on the pigeon shooting, so let's see if I can get it to work on the rabbit. First time I've tried it. I did shoot some video way on the far side of a couple of foxes that had turned up, and they seemed to be walking through the field and then into the buttercups, Whether or not that'll come out, I was trying to squeak them. And I think you'll hear that I'm not very good at squeaking for rabbits or squeaking foxes. A bit more practice is called for, I think. So this is Mark Ayler saying thank you very much for subscribing. If you haven't, please hit that subscribe button. Okay, please do that. If you like what I'm doing, hit the like button, drop me a line, drop me a comment. It's always nice to hear. And shoot straight and be safe. Mark Ayler saying bye for now.